Apple just made its biggest AI move ever. At WWDC 2025, they unveiled a suite of AI features baked into every layer of their ecosystem, from iPhones and Macs to Vision Pro. But this isn't about a smarter Siri or prettier photos. This is about Apple quietly redefining how AI will work in your daily life and in your business. Here's why it matters. First, Apple is going all in on on-device AI. That means your apps, your automations, and your user data all processed locally without touching the cloud. It's private, lightning fast, and scalable. Second, Apple is rolling out AI agents. Think of them as your personal copilots. They'll summarize messages, schedule tasks, suggest responses, and even generate content, all without you lifting a finger. Third, Apple is building context-aware intelligence into everything. Your apps will be expected to understand not just what the user is doing, but why. That's a major leap in UX design and a huge opportunity for innovators. Now here's the kicker. This shift isn't limited to consumers. Apple's AI stack will start shaping enterprise expectations too, especially for privacy-first industries like finance, healthcare, and legal. So, what should your business be doing right now? You need to reimagine your apps and workflows to take advantage of on-device intelligence. You need to build lightweight AI copilots that make your users more productive, not more overwhelmed. And most importantly, you need to stay ahead of this curve, not behind it. At AI Factory Labs, we're already working on custom GPTs, embedded copilots, and privacy-first AI assistants designed for exactly this kind of future. The AI revolution is no longer theoretical. It's happening fast. The only question is, will your business be ready?